Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to move files from iCloud Drive to OneDrive. Whether you are changing platforms or just organizing your data, these steps will help you manage the transfer efficiently. Begin by visiting iCloud.com and signing in with your Apple ID. Once logged in, open iCloud Drive to view your stored content. Carefully choose the documents, photos, or folders you wish to migrate. Ensure everything you need is selected before proceeding. To save these to your computer, click the download icon, which looks like a cloud with a downward arrow. You can also double-click specific items to download them individually. These files will typically appear in your system's downloads folder, providing the local copies needed for the next phase. Now, switch over to OneDrive by opening it in your web browser and logging in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up, but existing Microsoft users can use their current details. Inside the OneDrive interface, locate the Create or Upload button at the top. Click it and choose Upload File from the menu. This opens your File Explorer or Mac Finder, where you can pick the files you just grabbed from iCloud. Alternatively, you can use the drag-and-drop method. Just open your local folder and pull the files directly into the OneDrive browser window. A progress bar will show you when the transfer is finished. For those handling massive amounts of data, third-party management tools are an optional way to automate the process. You have now successfully transferred your data between services. This is a great way to keep your files accessible across different ecosystems. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial.